Ningbo Grand Star Electric Company was established in 2006, specializing in the design, development, and production of LED flashlights, headlamps, camping lamps, work lamps, bicycle lights, UV flashlights, cocaine lights, and other products for 19 years. We strictly control the quality of our products to ensure that they are well manufactured and of reliable quality. We have a complete set of advanced production equipment, such as testing equipment, precision die casting machine, battery ball discharge, overcharge testing machine, and so on. We have perfect quality control standards, from raw material purchasing to bulk product packaging. We strictly control the quality of 8 links to ensure that our customers receive satisfactory products, which is the reason why we can have a long-term and stable cooperation with our customers. We have CE certification and line certification, OEM and ODM services, efficient and enthusiastic sales services, and competitive prices. We are looking forward to establishing successful business relationships with new customers around the world in the near future. We warmly welcome domestic and foreign customers to establish cooperative relationships with us and create a bright future together.